Hey everybody, just want to give a quick demo of a big update for the foundation template. So a big request that we had was the ability to manage the page sidebar from the admin portal. So we had the ability originally to manage the header all from the admin portal, which you can see here. Um, but we recently added the ability to manage individual page sidebar navigation. So as covered in previous videos, when you create a new page in Bubble and then open that page to preview it, a page data type is automatically created. And you can see here we have the demo page URL index. That's the page we're currently on. And the sidebar is enabled. So if we click on that, we have lots of options here to manage this sidebar. So we can come in and add new sections. You can also copy an existing sidebar from another page. And then the reset sort order helps if when you're dragging and dropping, sometimes things get a little messy just due to the nature of drag and drop. So this will just reset that. But to show you quickly how this works, you can come in and add a new section. So we'll add a demo with an icon of an anchor. And we won't add a parent section. So we'll add this outside navigation. If we wanted it to be on the inside, we would select its parent section. And then you can define if it's visible or not. So the visible toggle determines if it's visible to everybody. So if it's invisible, nobody's going to see it. If it's visible to users with these permissions. And so let's make it, we'll leave it visible for everybody for now. And we'll go ahead and create that item. Boom, we have the new page the navigation item here. And if we click on it, you see it changes the section to the name. But if we go back over here, and you see the sidebar got out of whack, so I need to fix that here. The drag and drop element has not been the best so far, so if anybody watching this has other solutions for that, let me know. But it's better than other options. So anyway, now we can select demo here and add tab options to it. So we'll add tab 1, visible parent section is demo. We have tab 1. And then I will remove this from admin users because that's what I'm currently logged in as, I believe. So for this permission, we'll set it to only logged out users actually. And you'll see in the settings, I can still see it here. So in the preview, it still exists, but because I'm logged in as a standard user, if I go to the actual demo section here, it shows up. So that's a bug that I will fix before publishing this. But that is how the sidebar is working. So it's a lot easier now to manage this. You don't have to go into the Bubble editor. You can customize it for your test version and live version since it is database driven. And it really just helps speed up the page setup, page design, and really helps you focus on the core functionality. So we'll be rolling out more updates as we get new feature requests. So if you're watching this video and you have things you'd like to see, definitely let me know. Leave a comment on this or shoot me an email. But very excited to hear everybody's thoughts. And one last note I will add is the default sidebar is all data driven. So it's all managed here. What that does not allow you to do, for example, I have this repeating group of element types here, and I wanted to easily add that instead of a scroll in repeating group up here, I wanted to add it to a sidebar here. But since it's a list of option sets, without doing a lot more work in this current iteration, you're not able to put repeating groups over here. You can customize it and kind of force that with conditionals if you want, but out of the box, it does not allow that. So to solve that, I have a different page in the template. Let me pull it down so it'll make more sense. So you'll see on the index page, which is what we're on here, we have this sidebar reusable element, which can be managed here. However, I have this page template manual sidebar page, and it has the original sidebar still here. So if you want to do something more custom with your sidebar and add repeating groups for a specific page, you can duplicate the template from this instead of the index. So just something that may be helpful to those power users out there, but definitely let me know how things go. Let me delete this real quick and good to go. So boom, it's gone. So hopefully that is what everybody was looking for. Again, would appreciate any feedback that you may have, any ideas on new features, and plan on rolling out some big updates over the next couple weeks. Thanks.